Hello everyone, in this video we are gonna show you how make sure about the minimum resources to install the Cisco SDWAN controllers in your lab environment. Okay, so in the first moment I'm gonna to describe it what we have and which was used for this environment. For hypervisor we are using the VMware Workstation Pro, and for simulated devices we are using the EVE-NG. Okay, so in the first moment we are gonna search the EVE-NG. If you are using the Chrome, we can search directly, but if you are using another browser, you can go to the Google and search whatever you prefer. Okay, as you prefer. Okay, on the EVE-NG page, you should go to the documentation tab, click on it, how to create an image, and then we are looking for SD1. So, but pay attention, because in this page we've got two options for SD1. As we can see here, this one, okay, and we've got another one that we are looking for SD1 Viptela, okay, for our lab. At this page there are a lot of information: convention name, the download file name, inclusive what we are looking for, such as version, CPU, and memory RAM. Okay, so we must pay attention and consider the version, because according to the chosen image, we will set up the amount of resources like CPU and RAM mainly. Okay, so once we have those information, okay, we are gonna open our lab, because we are gonna define it, those values in our environment. Okay, let's go to the lab. This is the lab environment, okay, as we have here. This is my machine, okay. This is the IP that we are gonna use to access the EVE-NG. Okay, let's open. Okay, good. This is our lab. Okay, so here, as we can see, we've got one switch. Okay, for this case I'm gonna show you the switch, vManage, vSmart, vBond, and the Windows Server, because we are gonna use the Windows Server to access the graphical interfaces, mainly for vManage. Okay, let's open for you. For switch, we are using 256 for hand. Okay, we're gonna check the vManage. Oh, check the number of the CPU, 4. Okay, for RAM memory we are using 16 GB. Okay, as recommended by documentation. vSmart, we are gonna use 2 CPUs, 2 GB for memory RAM. vBond, the same. Okay, 1 CPU at least, and 1 GB for RAM. Okay, so now we are gonna start those devices. Okay, this can take some time. I'm gonna stop this video, and after to load the system I will be back. Okay, let's waiting, and I will be back. So now we're gonna check. We are back. The system already load, has been load that information. Let's authenticate, and we are gonna see. Let's authenticate. Oh. So let's check which IP we are using. Okay. So this is the our management IP. So once we have that information, we can use and validate on, let's check on the Windows server. So here we can ping. Let's ping and check. So good. So we already check the manage. Okay, but let's see the graphical interface. It's the most important for the vManager perspective. Okay, let's check here. Good. No, it's not working. Okay, this one, HTTPS. Okay, let's authenticate. Okay, no, password, it's not right. Let's see. Okay, something it's not right. Let's check password. Let's refresh. Good. Something it's not working properly. I don't know why. My keyboard. Okay. Good. And then we are sure that according to the documentation and what we have in this lab, those settings, that's enough to have your vManage up and running. Okay, as we can see here, that's very important for the vSmart perspective. Let's check here. I'm gonna show smart. Okay. Okay. vSmart and check. Seems that it's working, but let's see. Okay. For vSmart perspective, show control connection. It's working. Okay, inclusive as we have here. Seems that it's working. And then we are sure about it, the RAM and CPU. We are gonna check vBond. Okay. Good. Okay, vBond. Nice. Okay. We've got those validations, and then we are aware about how much resources we must have to have our simple lab working. Okay. For the vEdge, it's not necessary to check because it's the same image that we use for vBond. Okay, that's, I think that's it. And then enjoy. I hope this video has helped.